Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today we will take a look at Debug Class. We will do some experiment with this class. Debug Class containing methods to ease debugging while developing a game. It makes a game development easier after you use this Debug Class. There are different log types. You can use default log, error log, warning log, or other log while debugging your game. Unity will display different icons each log type. You can also pause your game with debug.break. These methods make your game pause. You will know where or what make your game not working well. ASSERT method sometimes useful too for debugging your game. You can raise error with only boolean. Debug class make game development easier. You must try it by yourself. Thanks for watching this video, subscribe and like this video and comment in the section below. See you next time!